Welcome back to Transformative Tastes. Today's episode, The Global Influence of Rice, takes us on a journey through the world's most versatile grain. Rice is a staple in many cultures. We start by exploring its journey from paddy fields to your plate. Discover varieties like Basmati, Jasmine, Arborio, and how each lends itself to different dishes. Dive into the nutritional aspects of rice. Brown rice, with its whole grain goodness, offers more fiber and nutrients compared to white rice, which has a higher glycemic index. From the paellas of Spain to the sushi of Japan, rice is integral to various cuisines. We'll explore how different cultures cook and enjoy rice, each method bringing out unique flavors and textures. Join us in the kitchen as we share some global rice recipes. Learn techniques like the perfect fluffy rice, risotto, and aromatic pilafs, making rice more than just a side dish. Rice truly shapes culinary experiences worldwide. Thanks for joining Transformative Tastes. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Thanks for watching.